We're using an E-wrap cast on. I just got the yarn there, just my tail. So you're going to wrap it around. I'm going to wrap all the way around. So we are E-wrap. And now we will wrap all the pegs a second time. Okay, all the pegs are wrapped 2 times. We just go around and take that bottom loop over the top loop. And I have a cat who has just broke into my office. Alright, we're going to take these bottom loops off all the way around. Oops, see, look, my yarn split. You gotta watch, because sometimes if your yarn splits, that next row, that would be a really tight stitch. Alright, so we will push all the stitches down, and I do notice with this loom, my stitches want to kind of stick right there, so I kind of push it down from the front and back at the same time, so I'm getting all of it down. But from here on out, we are using the flat stitch. If you have a very large diameter foot, you can switch it to the E-wrap, that is fine. But what we will be doing is our first 20 rows, just flat stitch. This is your peg 1. And there's the kitty cat. Hi, duct tape. Come here. You want to say hi to everybody? Hey, do you want to say hi to everybody? This is duct tape. We found her in a creek. She's about 6 months old. See, they could probably hear your motor running. I think they might want me to get back to the video. Ow, ow, ow. So you guys know she is sitting on my shoulder like a parrot right now. So, let me zoom this back in. Oh, duct tape, you're not making this easy. And yes, the cat's name's Duct Tape. Alright. So, flat stitch. Well, U-stitch. I prefer the U-stitch over the flat stitch. The only difference is your tension, pretty much. So, I wrap it behind the peg and take the loop over. And then I go ahead and push that stitch down. So, around the peg, knit over, and then I push that stitch down. I save a lot of time doing it that way. So you do this all the way around the loom, and you just work up 20 rows. Then I'll show you what to do from there.